Hi everyone, here we've got LG G8X ThinQ, and let me show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first of all, let's begin with some customization. So let's open the settings, then let's find network and internet, and here let's choose the tethering. As you can see here, we've got the Wi-Fi hotspot, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some options to customize. First of all, we can set up Wi-Fi hotspot, so let's tap on it. And here we can choose another Wi-Fi name. So let's type something, for example, this one. We can choose the security. We can set it as an open or secured, and we can set the password. Remember that the password must contain at least 8 characters and try to make it as unique and complicated as possible. Let's slide down, and as you can see here, we can set maximum users which we can connect with our hotspot, and we can show advanced options, and you can choose the broadcast channel. Let's click on save, and as you can see, it immediately, the name and the password is immediately changed. What's more, you can set the timeout, so this device will turn off Wi-Fi hotspot when there will be no connected devices, after 5 minutes, 10, 15, 30 minutes or 1 hour. What's more, you can set it as a never turns off, so let me pick this one for example, and it immediately changes also. What's more, we can set Wi-Fi sharing, so it means that if you will be connected with a Wi-Fi, then you will share this Wi-Fi with other devices, not your mobile data. So let me leave it like activated. Here we've got the list of connected devices. Now we have no devices connected, but if you will have any, they will appear here. Okay, so this is how to customize the portable hotspot. If you want to have faster access to this feature, simply unroll the top bar. And as you can see here, we've got the hotspot icon. In order to activate that, simply tap on it. And this is the info about Wi-Fi hotspot, that the battery may run out quickly. Click on turn on. And by this icon, you can say that the hotspot is activated. If you want to turn it off, just do the same. Let's tap on the hotspot icon, and now it is turned off. So that's all. This is how to enable portable hotspot in your LG G8X ThinQ. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.